Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to one of my favorite places in Morocco. But I mean it, and it's called Taghazout. It's very close to Agadir, and have one of the most positive vibes. One of the favorite places of the surfers all around the world, not just like locals. So we're talking about Australia, America, Europe, all around the world. And my preference is the night time is the nicest. Lights, restaurants, places go for drinks, coffee, and it's got that vibe. If you go to Morocco and you land in Agadir and you don't come here, you're not in Morocco. So this is like a main street. Restaurants, most of these restaurants or little shops you can buy soft drinks, lovely pastries. And one of my favorite things about Taghazout is, if you see the street dogs, there is a lady, she's a vet, and she vaccinates every single stray dog in the area, so they are safe for you and for themselves. I never met her, but she must be absolutely generous lady. Bless her. Obviously, Taghazout have as well places like accommodation you can stay. And as I said before, small concentration of people there surfing. You see, even the clothes they sell here, it's more about surf, t-shirts, surfing equipment as well. You can buy really lovely things in here. Maybe not gonna be extremely cheap, but you need a t-shirt from Taghazout. Or hoodie, even better. I've got 3. Sorry. No. Yeah. Cloudy day today, very, very misty. But it's nothing unusual. Look at the goats there. Oh, you're not going to see them. There's a goat there. But it's not unusual. Agadir is static weather and it can be like that. Misty, chill, cloudy. This shop looks cool. Look at that, guys. That's what I said. This is a lovely shop, guys. And these are absolutely amazing. Look at these. This is proper outfit. Very nice. It's beautiful. This is really cool. Can you see these people, guys? Okay, so this is very famous skating place for skateboards, for skating. Obviously it's misty, so probably won't be worth it to show you today. But really worth if you like everything with the skate. I've been there, so I know. Kitty, kitty. No, I won't harm you.
Yeah.
All?
No.
Don't do it all. I'm scared. You want to do it all. Dream catchers. They're lovely. Look at this one. People still swimming and surfing. See there. Yeah. As you say, every season, every weather, Taghazout is mesmerizing. So it will be no dark. All by the coast you see the lights is even nicer, but unfortunately not today. Look at these guys. Look at this. Oh, look at you, good puppy. Coochie. Oh. Sorry. See. Zwina pizza? Zwin pizza?
Bien sûr.
Yeah? Zwin?
Yeah.
Be careful. Windy Bay. Windy, because it's windy. Ah, I get it now. Pizza looks nice. It's very pretty.
Sur un papier aussi. Allez, non mais par contre, je veux bien les
Your little market. There's a few little markets in here. Oh, this is really, really nice. Labubu, I can't believe it. This is mad. Even Labubu is here. This Labubu is taking over. I swear. This is really nice. But what is it? It's like, I don't know, we can probably put it on a wall or something. It's very nice. Nice, very, very, very unique, very unique. It's colors, it's lovely colors. Nice. Nothing will stop them to have a party. And some food. And football. And the lovely view. Nothing can beat Taghazout. Very popular place to take pictures, and also if you ever you look .com Taghazout, this will be the one of the pictures. I have a lovely picture sunset a few years ago from here with the photographer. It was a professional photographers. And we were here with my husband and they took a picture of us. Remember? It was beautiful. I was wearing a blue dress, so it was beautiful. Oh gosh, I remember that. Yeah, we were lucky that day. Always something magical happening here.